Hi, I'm Melly Miriam, and I'm the Closet Quilter. I'm about to clean my Unique 15 Pro to begin a quilting a quilt on the Cutie Frame. And I want to show you how I start my projects. First of all, I clean my Unique 15 Pro. It's a beautiful machine. It's done great things. There's some things that I want to bring out. My other videos will show you how to oil the Unique 15 Pro. But I want to just go over right now, since I haven't been here in a while. I've been doing a lot of cross stitching. We won't talk about that. This is a quilting video. So I'm going to start out by explaining some things to you. I have normally had my Cutie socks on the Cutie Frame. What are Cutie socks? To the best of my knowledge, they are not marketed out there. I made them myself. Basically, I had a piece of quilted material, and I made 3 tubes. This is what a Cutie sock looks like. Open-ended, has a hole in it. Why does it have a hole? Well, the reason being is that when I first got the Cutie Frame, it used these straps. Okay, it had hooks on them. Let me see if I can find a hook. Yeah, each one had a hook on it, like this, and you used to wrap it around the fabrics that was on the back. You'd roll it up and hold it with these straps. But today, we have these new clips with the hooks on them. It's an upgrade. So, not only can I put my Cutie socks, if I just have my cotton backing being held on the back bar, it helps grip, gives it grip. It's a nice quilted piece. It gives it grip. So that's what a Cutie sock is. You can make your own. I don't sell them, but you can make your own. Basically, it's just a tube with a hole in it that you slip on the back bar, and there it is. And then you can use your clips. Now, these are the new clips with the holding hooks that you put the fabric in. And I'm going to see how that works, because this will be the first time I'm using these lovely little things. So, I have that. Now, in order to clean my frame, I dust using a cloth the table that it's on, a clean cotton cloth. I dust and wipe my tracks, and then I use this size brush for the bobbin. Clean the bobbin out. Clean the bobbin housing, make sure it's dust free. Okay, then I'm ready to oil. So I bring the needle down halfway. This comes down halfway to here. I go in the back and do that, put that there. And then I can put the 2 drops of oil in here, a drop in each. And then I take this brush, a long brush that can fit in here, and I take my flashlight and I shine it in there, and I gently brush with oil on the bristles. I brush oil onto the metal parts that hit together. So basically, you're going to need machine oil, Singer machine, or whatever machine oil you prefer. You're going to need 2 types of brushes, a dry brush for the bobbin area to clean, and then this brush, this thin brush that can fit into here, so you can get to those metal parts, and a flashlight. So then you can clean your machine effectively. Okay? And don't forget to dust with your clean cloth. All right? And then we can get started. I hope this helps you.